Preparing for a long-term disaster or SHTF scenario involves more than just stockpiling food and supplies, as we all know. It is equally important to build a network of knowledgeable and skilled people who can support each other in times of need. So we're going to take a look at the types of people you would want to have in your circle to increase your chances of survival and maintaining a good quality of life during these challenging times. And if you notice you're missing any of these types of people in your own network, now is the time to start forming those connections. Herbalists and medical professionals, complementary roles in care. Collaborative diagnosis and treatment. Medical professionals diagnose and treat illnesses and injuries using conventional medical knowledge and techniques. This category would include doctors, nurses, EMTs, and even veterinarians. Herbalists provide natural remedies to support recovery and alleviate symptoms when pharmaceuticals are unavailable. Surgical and procedural support. Medical professionals perform essential medical procedures and surgeries, like stitching wounds, setting broken bones, and more complex operations. Herbalists offer natural anesthetics and pain relief options, assist with post-operative care using herbs that promote healing and reduce inflammation. Preventative care. Medical professionals may offer vaccinations, screenings, and conventional preventative measures to keep the group healthy. Herbalists use herbs and natural remedies to boost the immune system, prevent common ailments, and maintain overall wellness. Comprehensive patient care. Medical professionals provide acute care in emergencies and manage chronic conditions with conventional treatments. Herbalists complement conventional treatments with herbal therapies that may enhance the effectiveness of medical care and provide holistic health benefits. Educational collaboration. Medical professionals educate the group on hygiene, first aid, and the use of medical supplies. Herbalists teach the group about identifying, harvesting, and preparing medicinal plants, ensuring a sustainable approach to healthcare. Mental health and well-being. Medical professionals address mental health issues with conventional therapies and medications. Herbalists provide natural remedies and therapies to reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, supporting mental health holistically. By working together, medical professionals and herbalists can offer a more comprehensive and resilient healthcare approach, leveraging the strengths of both conventional medicine and herbal knowledge. Engineers and mechanics. Engineers and mechanics are essential for maintaining and repairing infrastructure and equipment, ensuring that your living conditions remain as comfortable and functional as possible. Why they're important. Maintenance and repair. They can fix and maintain machinery, vehicles, and tools, which are crucial for everyday tasks and mobility. Improvisation skills. Their ability to create or adapt tools and systems from available materials can solve numerous problems that arise in a disaster scenario. Agricultural experts. Sustainable food production is a cornerstone of long-term survival. Agricultural experts, including farmers, gardeners, and animal husbandry specialists, are key to ensuring a steady food supply. Why they're important. Food production. They can grow crops and raise livestock, providing fresh, reliable sources of food. Knowledge of seasons and soil. Their understanding of growing seasons, soil health, and crop rotation can optimize food production and ensure long-term sustainability. Preservation skills. They often have knowledge of food preservation techniques like canning, drying, and fermenting, which is vital for storing food. Security and defense experts. In any disaster or SHTF scenario, security becomes a major concern. Knowing people with military, law enforcement, or martial arts backgrounds can enhance the safety of your group. Why they're important. Protection. They can develop and implement security plans to protect your group from external threats. Training. They can train others in self-defense, firearm safety, and strategic planning. Crisis management. Their experience in high-stress situations can be invaluable in managing conflicts and making quick, effective decisions. Builders and craftsmen. Builders, carpenters, electricians, and plumbers are essential for constructing and maintaining shelters and infrastructure. Why they're important. Shelter construction. They can build or repair shelters, ensuring that you have safe and stable living conditions. Utility management. Their skills in plumbing and electrical work can maintain essential utilities, even if you're off the grid. Resourceful solutions. Craftsmen can create or repair essential items, contributing to the overall resilience and functionality of your group. Communication experts. In a disaster, reliable communication can be challenging, but it is essential for coordinating efforts and staying informed. Why they're important. Maintaining contact. They can set up and maintain communication systems like ham radios, which are crucial when other communication networks fail. Information gathering. They can help gather and disseminate important information, keeping the group informed about the broader situation. Coordination. Effective communication is key to coordinating efforts, whether it's within the group or with external allies. Cooks and nutritionists. Good nutrition is vital for maintaining health and energy levels, especially in SHTF stressful situations. Why they're important. Meal planning. They can plan and prepare balanced meals with available resources, ensuring that everyone gets the necessary nutrients. Food safety. Their knowledge of food safety can prevent foodborne illnesses, which can be debilitating in a survival situation. Creative cooking. They can create palatable meals for limited ingredients, boosting morale and making the most of your food supplies. Water specialists. Access to clean water is a fundamental necessity. Water specialists, like hydrologists and sanitation experts, ensure that you have a safe and reliable water supply. Why they're important. Water sourcing. They can identify and develop sources of water, whether through wells, rainwater collection, or other means. Purification. Their expertise in water purification ensures that the water you consume is safe, preventing waterborne illnesses. Sanitation solutions. They can develop and maintain sanitation systems which are crucial for health and hygiene in a long-term disaster. Survival experts. Survival experts, often with backgrounds in wilderness survival, bushcraft, or the military, bring a wealth of knowledge about living off the land and coping with extreme conditions. Why they're important. Primitive skills. They can teach and perform essential survival skills like fire starting, shelter building, and foraging. Adaptability. Their experience in adapting to harsh environments is invaluable when modern conveniences are no longer available. Training others. They can train the group in various survival techniques, enhancing the overall capability and preparedness of everyone. Building this diverse network of knowledgeable and skilled people is crucial for increasing chances of survival and maintaining a high quality of life in a long-term disaster or SHTF scenario. All of the above people each bring unique and vital skills to the table. By developing relationships with these types of people before disaster strikes, you can create a resilient and self-sufficient community capable of facing whatever challenges may come.